Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to jumpstart your Chevy Equinox. Okay, so we got the hood popped, and under the hood, you're going to see your ground right here, GND, and it has this little metal prong that's sticking out. That is where they want you to ground to. And then your positive connection is right here. You just flip up this little plastic part that has the red plus sign on it. And then under here, this metal right here, that's your positive connection where you want to put your red cable at. I'm going to be using a jump box, but you can use jumper cables or a jump box. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure you keep everything turned off while you're plugging everything in, whether it be the jumper cables or the jump box. I'm going to go ahead and hook up our red cable first. And the reason we do that is there's less likely of a chance that we'll shock anything if we hook up the red cable first. So then we hook up our black cable like so, and then we turn our box on. It's showing that we have 11 volts. Go ahead and turn it on. If you're using another car, turn the other car on now. I'm using the Noco Boost Pro GB150. I got this off of eBay for like 300 bucks. And now we should be able to start it. All right, go ahead and try it if you'd like. All right, there you go. And then we'll go ahead and turn our box off. If you're doing it from another car, turn the other car off. And it should be good. That's how to jump start your vehicle. Alright you guys, that's how to jump start your Chevy Equinox. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop me a comment at the bottom, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.